to the shores of the Gulf. We send this song across the waves, no longer hushed or muffled. January 67, in the cool Aburi air. Go on and Ojuku sat down, swore the nation would be fair. Federal structure, no more central chains. Restructure or perish, the accord made plain. Aburi, Aburi, the promise was signed, but Nigeria's leaders left truth behind.
Biafra, Biafra, Ghana stands tall.
We remember the accord, we remember the fall. From Accra to Enugu, one cry, one pain. Betrayal in Abuja, but the spirit remains. They flew back to Lagos, the ink barely dried. Then the decrees came rolling on its hairy line. Decree 8, Decree 14, the regions erased. The accord torn to pieces, the people displaced. Blockade on the airstrip, starvation they blazed, while the world clapped politely at the massacre made. Aburi, Aburi, the vow was betrayed by the men in the villa who feared being swayed.
Biafra, Biafra, Ghana won't forget.
3 million goals march where the sun hasn't set. From Tamale to Mwaya, one blood, one chain. Rise up, Biafra, break the silence again. Kwame Nkrumah warned us, divide and be conquered. The British drew lines, then the generals dishonored. They said no victor, no vanquished, yet the grave still grows. While oil pipes flow north and the truth lies low. But memory is a market woman, she never forgets her debt. Aburi still echoes in every drumbeat. So let the Panlogo thunder, let the phantom from roll. Let every trotro driver blast this from Cape Coast to Boku Shore. We sing for the children who never came home, for the mothers of Azaba, for the seeds never sown. Nigeria's betrayal is a wound in the night, but Ghana's black star shines a path to the light. Aburi, Aburi, let the world now hear. The accord was murdered, but the truth won't disappear.
Biafra, Biafra, your dawn is still near.
Ghana walks beside you, have no fear. From the Black Star Gate to the rising sun flag, one people, one struggle, till the betrayers gag.